Alright. Cooking with Fozz. Day 1. Today I'm making polenta. Put all of the shit in a pan into a hand boiling water. Just simmer it for 40 minutes. It looks fucking horrible. I keep adding water to it. It doesn't say how much water you put in. Yeah, I'll see what happens. I'll report the finished stuff later. Ah yeah. Shrooms. Chuck them in. Ah yeah, what's going on? Yeah, what's going on? Shrooms. Still that polenta there, looky. Stir it up. Alright. A bit of tofu in there now. Yeah. Alright, and then this stuff, you probably thought it was looking horrible before, but look at this now. Now it's looking really nice now, isn't it? Ha 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 ha. Ah yeah. Pre-vermouth. I need a fucking GoPro. Fucking can't see what I'm doing. There, it looks absolutely fucking horrible. Right, let's put it on a plate. Ha 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 he 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 he. Ha 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 he 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 he. What the fuck is this? Let's add some cheese. It's Fozz here. I've had my dinner. It was really nice actually. I enjoyed doing that. And I don't have anything better to do, to be honest. So I might do it again tomorrow. But I just wanted to give you a preview of what you can probably expect I'll be eating tomorrow, so that's it. There, look. Leftover polenta. There's loads.